Sawmill Sessions, first interview with the first artist that we're inviting this year.
Larry Unger.
That's me. Yes.
Yeah,
Hi.
you're a huge musician.
He's really big.
Oh yeah. And Audrey
Knuth, same thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Close
So
enough.
you're both from America and
Yes.
you're from California?
Yep, I'm in San Francisco.
Boston. I live in Boston.
Okay, great. How long have you been playing together?
Too long.
7 years. 2 months and 4 days.
3
Wow.
hours.
Okay. And you just landed today in Paris?
Oh no.
Oh.
We were
yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Have you played in Paris before?
2 years ago.
And
Yeah.
last Saturday.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
We flew away to Denmark and came back.
Okay.
Yeah. That's how much we like Paris. We had to come back.
Yeah,
Like
two,
it?
2 years ago.
Okay. And how's the French public? How's the French
I
audience?
love them.
Yes?
Yes.
Do they love us though?
So you're used to playing for dancers,
Yes.
right? Are you also dancers, you two?
Yeah.
Very much so. Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
So you like to dance too?
Uh-huh.
I had a question about dancing.
Okay.
What, in your opinion, what does dancing bring to a musician?
That's a really good question. As a fiddle player, it's all about the rhythm. Is that you change your playing to make it danceable. In old time music, a lot of it was originally meant for dancing anyways.
Yeah.
And so kind of keeping that rhythmic groove going is really what makes it, being able to dance to it. Yeah.
And for me too, the rhythm. The
Yeah.
boom, chuk, chuk, chuk. Yeah.
So would you say you play differently if it's for dancers or if it's for a sitting audience?
Oh yes.
Very much so. Yeah.
You're aware that tonight people won't be dancing?
What?
At
Or-
first.
Okay, so you're going to make them dance. Right, okay.
We don't.
I heard that you compose a lot of music.
I have.
Yes.
Who told you?
Internet.
Oh yeah.
They never lie.
Yeah. So are you going to play only compositions, only originals
No,
tonight?
we do some traditional fiddle tunes, old time tunes, but we'll do a few of mine.
Great.
And the thing about Larry tunes is that he wrote a lot of them so long ago that they are now part of the tradition. And so you'll have people who play tunes that are Larry tunes and they don't know that they are newly
Wow.
written and that they are traditional.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, like your tune Picking the Berries. I was at an
Yes.
old time jam session
And
and I was like, I know this tune. I know the person who wrote this tune.
And people didn't know that.
Yeah, and
Wow.
people didn't know it, exactly.
That's great.
Yeah, and I told them they played it wrong. I'm just kidding.
That wasn't originally how it was meant to be played.
I know the original source.
How long have you two been playing together? 7 years.
Oh, yeah,
That's
7
it.
years, yeah.
And how'd you meet?
So I lived in Boston, and my dad got married about 7-8 years ago, and the person who called at his wedding knew Larry, and I was a new student in Boston, didn't know anybody, and he put me in touch.
Yeah, he said you should call Audrey. She's really good. So I said okay. All right.
Yeah.
I'll see.
Okay, fine.
We'll check it out.
Yeah.
And Audacious.
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 Yes,
Has been touring in what countries?
Oh, many places.
Yeah.
Germany,
That's it.
England, France, we'll be in Scotland.
Yeah.
And we've been all over the United States, including Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Oh, yes.
Are there dancers in Hawaii?
Yes.
Very much so.
But
So
we also
yeah.
play for concerts.
Yeah.
So. And then apart, we've played many other countries. For me, I've been to India and Afghanistan,
Wow.
and Israel, and all over Europe. And Audrey, you were just in Sweden?
Yeah, I just came back from Sweden in May, and
Whoa.
that was really wonderful. We played American cowboy songs because that's what they love in Sweden.
And there's an audience for that in Sweden.
Yeah, there was.
Okay.
Yeah, it was really nice.
And you both play multiple instruments, but especially you. I think?
Yes, but guitar and banjo are my main, and jaw
Okay.
harp.
Yeah.
And jaw
Yes.
Okay.
yes.
And
Yeah.
what would you say is your favorite instrument? To get asked that a lot.
Be careful how you answer this.
Well, I especially love playing old time 1920s style blues, fingerpick blues. But old time banjo is also really nice.
Okay.
So it's whatever instrument I'm playing.
Oh, that's nice. And who are your mentors?
Ooh. Well, for blues, I used to visit some of the older blues players. I went to their houses and visited them, Etta Baker and John Jackson were
John Jackson.
yeah, better known ones for blues, and then
For old-time banjo?
Tommy Jarrell
Okay.
and Bruce Green.
Okay.
Yes.
What about you?
I was afraid of that question.
Right.
That is a good question. When I grew up, my very first record that I listened to that made me fall in love with contra dancing was a record called Phantom Power by Lissa Schneckenburger and Bruce Rosen, who are New England players. And so it's just fiddle and piano, and she has a really unique style of New England style, which is a kind of a mix of everything that kind of sounds really, really unique. And I just kind of fell in love with that. She played old-time tunes, Quebecois tunes, but all in this kind of New England style, which is kind of a mix of everything because all of those genres are in New England.
Uh-huh.
And so that was kind of the first, I was like, what is this?
And opposite question, are there any young player from the new scene that you really like to follow?
So Lissa is actually a fairly young fiddle player.
But older than you.
older
Here's a
than
new
me.
one.
Yes.
Here's another one.
I'm my own influence.
There are many in Boston. There's the Berklee School of Music and New England Conservatory. And in addition to classical music or jazz, they have a lot of fiddlers there, a whole lot.
Yeah.
Too many to mention.
Too many to mention,
Maybe you
right.
could say some of the names of the good
No.
ones. No?
Do you teach at Berklee?
I went to Berklee. Yeah. Went to Berklee.
But you might teach there.
Well, I'm going to give a lecture at the New England Conservatory when I get back.
Oh, great. About
Blues.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I also read on the internet
Yes, of course.
that you like to tell stories about songs and tunes.
Well, when I learned a song from an older blues person, I like to say what that person was like and,
Yeah.
I don't know, something about them. And yeah.
I'm always curious about the stories behind the songs.
Yes.
So, what would you say is your best story to tell about a song? Which one do you like to tell best?
Without thinking about it first.
Yeah. There's something about Etta Baker or something.
Maybe you could stop there.
Okay. We'll edit that.
I have to think about it.
Okay. Well, say whatever.
You have to
comes
come
up.
to the, yeah.
It's a very tough question.
You have to come to the concert and we'll tell some of those stories.
Okay, great. Did you know about the Sawmill sessions in Paris before?
I came
today?
3 years ago.
Oh, right. You played.
Yes. No, well, they had a little dance
Oh, yeah.
before the person who played. I forget who that was. And then we played the jam session.
Great.
I was here with Karina Wilson.
Mm-hmm.
I remember we played a lot of Cajun music.
Oh, really? Yes, there is a tradition.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
play Cajun music?
Only a little bit.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Home talk.
Can you sing Cajun? French Cajun? No.
You don't want me to sing French.
We do. That would be fun.
She sings a French Canadian song.
Oh, yeah. Will you do it tonight?
She will.
We'll see about that.
Please do that.
But it's not bluegrass or old time.
What about bluegrass? Because this is like an old time and bluegrass gathering. Do you
Yes.
play bluegrass at all?
We
or-
play more old time.
Yeah.
But we play some of the bluegrass songs are from the old time.
From the old time
tradition.
repertoire, yeah.
Yeah.
And are you going to play English and Celtic tunes today too?
I don't know. It's
So what kind of mood we're in?
Okay.
in 45 minutes. It's hard to get everything in.
Yeah, I guess. What else? Welcome to Paris. Welcome to the Sawmill sessions. And how can we follow what you do? Do you have websites?
Yes, LarryUnger.net is my
Okay.
website. And just lately I've had a few of my tunes recorded. I don't know if you know Rhiannon and Giddens.
Yes.
She just recorded one of my tunes.
Oh.
So you can follow my music.
With her all-female band or
No,
alone?
no, it's with the accordion player from Italy.
Okay. And
I
she.
forget his name.
What tune is that? Which tune is that?
Beth Cohen's.
Beth Cohen's.
Yes,
So we're gonna listen to that.
perhaps. It's not on our list, but I don't know.
For
When
you.
ask like that, maybe we will.
Okay. And do you give? What about you? How can we follow? On the
Yeah,
internet?
so my name is Audrey Knuth, and you can just go to audreyknuth.com.
How do you spell that?
See,
Okay, yeah.
Knuth.
Yeah, exactly. And my main group right now is called Wake Up Robin. So if you go to wakeuprobin.com, you will also find my music there as well.
You're touring a lot with that band, right?
I tour a lot with every band, but yes,
So you live on the road, basically, both of you.
pretty
Kinda.
much, yeah. But it means we get to go to amazing places like this, so I am not complaining at all.
Okay. Great. And you both live from your music, of course. You're full-time musicians.
Yes.
Very much so, yeah.
Oh, that's great. And just one thing about Paris. What is your favorite thing about
The
Paris?
train system.
Oh my God. That's the worst. We're sorry about that. They had the most horrific time coming here. Yeah.
Yes, we got to meet close up with
Yeah,
people.
yeah, that's
Very
the thing.
close
You
up.
get the feel of people. Okay. Well, thank you very much for answering these questions and thank you for being here tonight.
Okay,
We're
thank
looking
you.
forward to playing.
Yes.
From you to part. I'll be by now. You're married, young wife. If not for you, who crossed these strides, I'd have someone to call my own. Oh, how I'm tired of being alone. Nothing of love, no time.